and meditation. See, why is it essential for the students, this topic? What do you think? Yes, why? See, for a student, what is more essential is the mind. We are using your mind always, right? Correct? See, when we use our mind with very trained manner, then automatically what will happen? Our memory is also trained. Okay. So now here let me put you a question. What is mind? Where is mind? How is mind? What is the function of the mind? Anyone, you can just put your hand raise and you can give me the answer. I don't want any chorus answer. Anyone, what is mind? Where is mind? How the mind works? Anyone? Don't hesitate. Even if it is the wrong answer, we are here to tell you the right answer. Okay? Anyone? Yes. Don't hesitate. Esma. Anyone? You want to tell? Boys side? You don't have mind? You don't have mind? You have the mind, right? Then where is mind? Huh? See, as soon as I put a question, you started thinking, right? You started thinking, right? Then which was that? Started thinking? Mind. So the thinking faculty is called as the mind. Correct? But where is mind? The function of the mind, you told me. What is the function of the mind? Thinking. Okay. So where is mind? Huh? Here? Here? In the head. Inside. Where is it inside? You have here, this is the skull. Inside this skull you have the brain. Then where is mind? Is the brain is the mind? No. Then where is mind? See, let me just do. I don't want to confuse you people. Let me straightly come to the topic. Here, see, we all call ourselves as what? Human beings, right? Human beings. We are all the human beings. Now, see, human and being, it is two things. Do you agree? Or you don't agree? See, human, it is taken from the word humus, right? What is humus? Soil, correct? Humus is soil. Now, this is the human, that is soil. We'll tell now. It is made up of soil and it will go to the soil again, right? Then who is that being? That is the eternal energy or the spiritual energy, what we call, right? If that energy is not in this body which is made up of skeleton, muscles, whatever you have, so many machineries in this, will it work? Will it work? You know, we have a camera. Which is the camera? Right? You know we have the mic. Which is the mic? We have the speakers, right? Yes. We have filter, right? We have pump. Yes. Right? I think today's period was biology. Okay. So I'm a little bit connecting to the biology, right? So which is filter? The kidney is the filter, right? So which is the pump? The heart is the pump, right? So if these all machineries, if it has to work, then what is more essential? The energy, right? If the energy is not within us, that we call it as the being. That is the eternal energy. We call it as spirit, we call it as soul, or we call it as prana, we call it as usiru, whatever you give the name. Okay? But that is the energy, right? If that energy is in the body, then only we are able to see, hear, talk, whatever that we are performing our activities, it can be done. Or else it is called as what? Dead body. Right? It is called as dead body. But we are the living beings, right? What gives us that living energy? That is the being. Human being. That is the soul, we call it as, in simple terms, soul or spirit, whatever you call it as. Okay. Now where is mind? So now, how this soul is made up of? See, the soul is made up of three faculties, which is called as what it is? Mind, intellect and resolve. Now where is mind? It is in the soul, or it is in the spirit, or it is in that energy. Now what you call it as a soul, it is nothing but combination of all these three. What is soul? It's a combination of mind, intellect and resolve. Now let it come to the mind. Now, what is the function of mind? Just now I told what it is called as thinking faculty. Right? Thinking faculty. It just starts thinking. Now how does it start thinking? Based on what we hear, based on what we see, based on whatever the information that we are gathering, based on our belief systems, okay, based on our past experiences, the mind starts thinking. Right? Do you agree? Now, in the whole day, what are the pattern of thoughts it is going to think? How you are going to categorize the thoughts? How you are going to categorize the thoughts? Now, there are basically 4 kind of thoughts. One is, what it is? Positive. What is opposite to that? Negative. So, we know only the 2 kinds of thoughts. But there are the other 2 kind of thoughts, which is called as the waste thoughts and the ordinary thoughts, or it is also called as the essential thoughts. What it is called as? Essential thoughts. When you check in your whole day, the mind thinking pattern, it will be only in these 3. Correct? Majority it will be in these 3, but only 10% or 20% depend upon the individuality, how he is using his mind, he starts thinking positive. Correct? Do you agree? Yes? Now, see what happens if you are thinking negative. Now, let me give you some examples of what negative thoughts. I need not give that, but still. So, one simple word, I cannot. What kind of thought it is? Negative. It is very difficult. What kind of thought it is? Negative. Correct? These are all the types of thoughts are what? Negative thoughts. Right? Do you agree? Now, what are waste thoughts? See, thoughts which are unnecessary, what we start thinking about what happened yesterday, what is going to happen about the future, or what that girl did, what this boy did. Right? All the waste thoughts are loose thoughts. Right? Whatever in the whole day, even we start thinking about that. Correct? Our bagge, your bagge, lena hoitu. Do you agree? Right? Those are all the waste thoughts. Okay. Now what is essential thoughts or the ordinary thoughts? See, these are the thoughts which is required as soon as we start get up in the early morning. So and so the today's schedule, I should get up at this time, I should do this work, I should reach this school at this particular time. Yes, this is required. Correct? So this we call it as what? Essential thoughts. But if we start thinking these thoughts itself frequently, with more frequency, then what will happen? It turns to what? Waste and negative. Right? Now, why I am talking about all these 3 thoughts? See, these 3 types of thoughts, if a student or any person in his life, if he thinks more of these things, then what I was telling, we are all the souls or we are all the spirits, the energy of the soul or the energy of the spirit, it just drains out. What happens? Drains out. That is nothing but it gets discharged very fastly and we feel our self-esteem is very low. Do you agree? Do you agree? But still, are we able to overcome these kind of thoughts? But still it gets power. Right? Why? Why? Because we don't know who is the creator of the thought. We are not able to control the thoughts. Why? Why? See, when we know who is the creator, then who is the controller, who is the ruler, then we can have the control over it. Right? So now, see what is positive thoughts? Everyone you know, which brings in the energy to the soul, which brings in energy within, that is called what kind of thoughts? Positive thoughts. Right? As in this itself, you convert it to positive? I can. Right? So if I write can I, you shift it here, what it becomes? I can. Everyone you know in the word impossible itself, what it is there? I am possible. Right? What kind of thoughts are these? Positive. It is very difficult. You make it, it is very easy. Why should we think positive thoughts? Now coming here. Why? Just now I told why. Because the energy to ourselves, the soul, we require the energy, right? How are you going to get the energy? That is only through the positive thoughts. For a student, it is very, very essential to be a successful person. See, in our life, whatever may be the circumstances, whatever may be the situations, whatever type of the subjects you may be dealing with, but the thought what you should have is what? This subject I can learn it easily, even though it is tough. Even though it is tough. Why? See, when the first thought, when you create a first thought as, yes, I have the capability to learn this, to understand this, then automatically what will happen? The energy what you have created is positive, right? See, thoughts are nothing but energy field. What are thoughts? It is nothing but energy field. See, it starts vibrating to the brain, from the brain to entire body parts. We know our body, it has it is going to create many hormones, right? So in that, when you have the negative thoughts or the base thought, what kind of thoughts? When fear or in anxiety or in stress or in tension, if you start creating, the hormones what it is going to be created is, it is very, very harmful and it makes us more nervous, right? But when you are in the positive thought, when you are in a very happy mood, whatever the hormones that has been created within, it is very helpful and which makes the brain to work more actively. Everyone, you know, when you are in fear, when you are in anxiety, when you are in stress, the brain shrinks. Do you agree? Yes? The brain shrinks, right? But when you are in the positive thought and at that particular time, the brain is getting a very good positive energy, it starts contracting. So automatically what will happen? Whatever the required hormones that is required for the body for performing that particular task, it starts releasing them. Do you agree? Yes. So from today onwards, what is the essential thought that is required for the student? Positive. At any circumstances. Who is the creator? I am the creator. Who is that I? That is the being. That is the self. Correct? When we give ourselves self-introduction, what we tell? My name is so and so. I am studying in so and so. My profession. Correct? And we call our body as what? My body. Right? We never tell it is my. We will never tell I am body. Will you tell? We call this hand as what? My hand. Will you tell I am hand? Then who is telling that I? That is the being. That is the life energy. That is the spirit. Right? So if the soul, if it is in now, when the being, when we know I am the creator of the thoughts, I am the ruler of the thoughts, then automatically, consciously, you can start creating what kind of thoughts? There is a simple technique what we teach for everyone in a whole day. Just stop at every for example, your period may be 45 or 1 hour. 1 hour, right? Every 1 hour you have 2 minutes break or 1 minute break before the another lecturer or professor enters here, right? So at that particular time you can check in that particular 1 hour period of time what kind of thoughts you were thinking, whether it was positive, negative, based or ordinary. If it was in the other 3 category, what I should do? Consciously start thinking positive thoughts. Okay? I am a powerful being. I am a successful being. I have the power to overcome any situation, any challenge in my life. Suppose, whatever the subject was dealt in the previous period, you feel it was very difficult, it was very tiresome. Okay, relax your brain. Just giving by positive affirmations. First your affirmations, got it? Okay, let me go to home. Let me just recall this particular lesson once again. Or let me go to my staff again tomorrow. Let me just get the conclusions or let me get clarifications. Give yourself positive thoughts, or else the next period what happens? You are taking the burden for the next period also. Do you agree? Right? So you want that burden to be taken to the next. At the end of the day, how you feel? A burdened brain. Right? So we don't want that to happen for the student life or anyone's life. So start thinking positive. Okay? Now you understand what is the function of the mind? Where is mind? Got it? Now, coming to the intellect. What is the function of intellect? What is intellect? Intellect and buddhi. In Kannada, what is buddhi? Correct? What is the function of buddhi? Intellect? Say, you're talking yourself. Very good. What I told, anyone know the answer? Please raise your hand. And just so that I can be able to hear. You started murmuring yourself, right? So anyone? Yeah, ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. Just raise your hand and tell me. ಏನು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Function of ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಏನು? Simple example ಹೇಳ. ಸಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. They have given you some task. If you don't perform it properly, and if you start doing it as you went on doing, okay? ನಿನ್ನ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬೈತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಬೈತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಕ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? That means what is the function of intellect? To decide which is right and wrong. Do you agree? It is the decision making or judgment making faculty. See, whatever the thoughts that comes into the mind, it just comes to the judgmental part, that is the intellect. It decides is it good or bad, positive or negative, waste or best. Then, when I start performing that into the actions, then automatically what it does? It gets stored as results. Or, in simple words, you can call it as subconscious memory. What it is called as subconscious memory. It stores in the subconscious memory. Now, intellect does another work also. Not only decides whether it is right or wrong, good or bad, it also performs one more task. So, everyone, we have heard that we have 3 eyes, right? We have 3 eyes, correct? Third eye. Which is the third eye? The intellect is the third eye. Shall I prove how your intellect is the third eye? Okay? Now everyone, you are sitting over here, right? Now whatever the thoughts I am just going to give, just create the vision of that. Okay? Just think that your period is not over, your class is not over. Okay, now the bell has rung. Everyone, you are just going home in buses or whatever the medium of transport that is being given to you people. Okay, you have just reached your home. You are just removing your shoes, you are getting your dress changed, you are getting freshed up, you are getting into your kitchen, you are asking your mother a glass of water. Just she has given you a glass of water, you started drinking it, then she gave you some snacks, you ate the snacks, you came to your sitting area and you are relaxed. You went to your home, everyone? Yes. Which started doing that work of creating visions? The intellect, not the mind. Make a small correction. See, mind's work is what? Only to think. That's all. You started thinking of your house, right? Then we started seeing the vision of that? The intellect. Okay? Now, what is concentration? Which is more essential for the students, correct? What is concentration? Everyone will tell your teachers, your mother, father, parents, everyone concentrate also. Concentrate also. Correct? From the childhood, they will be telling concentrate. What to concentrate? Did they tell what to concentrate? No, right? Just concentrate. So here, today, let me give you a beautiful definition for concentration. Which is the true definition for a concentration, which you will not get in any Google or any Wikipedia. No way you are going to get the meaning of that concentration. What is concentration? Just now, whatever I was giving you the picture of your, or whatever I was narrating you about your journey to go home now. What was happened over there? These two were working together. Do you agree? Correct? That is concentration. See, when the mind and the intellect, it works together, that is called as what? Concentration. That means, whatever the mind is thinking, the same the intellect has to see the vision of that. You're getting? You're getting? A simple example. If I tell apple, you're able to see apple, right? So if I tell now today, see A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. See, when it was learned in our LKG, but still we are able to remember that at that particular time, did we know what is A? No way. Correct. What we were able to see or what we were able to remember is the apple, because not also apple, figure, image, right? Correct. See, that was the concept what it was brought in the education system, because the brain, it works in two types. See, our brain, again coming to your biology itself, the biology itself may be taking oftenly using the biology topic because it is very essential, right? So brain, okay. I don't want to go deep into the brain, but the brain is made up of two hemispheres, left hemisphere, right hemisphere, right? In simple, we call it as left brain, right brain, correct? Now, what is the function of left brain and what is the function of the right brain? How the left brain works and how the right brain works means, see, we don't want any the biological part or anything, but listen now, you want any information, you ask me here. Okay? So now, here, see, left brain. See, left brain, it understands words, sentence, paragraphs, whatever it is. Okay? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೈರ್ಸಮ್. ಟೈರ್ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಕಷ್ಟನ ಈಸಿನ? ಕಷ್ಟ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಹ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೌದಾ? So what happens at that particular time? The left brain, it becomes more tired. Okay, but how the right brain it works? Means it works only for pictures, images, colors, audio or video. Simple enough everything. It understands that particular language, picture, images, colors, audio. Okay, so now if I store the information, here also comes the word concentration. See, whatever the word you heard, now when you start creating a picture or image or colorful, whatever it is, then what will happen? The right brain, it stores very easily that. That's what I told you. If a word itta, apple itta. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೌದಲ್ವ? ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂತದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದೇನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ? ಇಮೇಜಸ್, ಹೌದಲ್ವ? ಕಲರ್ಸ್. ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ LKG, UKG, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? Because the right brain, we are making that way to enhance. Its working concept it is going to enhance. Now, you can bring the concentration here also. See, in the higher level also, you can bring that whatever the words you are listening, whatever the sentence you are listening, immediately start creating the vision of it. Then automatically bringing the concentration of the left brain and the right brain with the combination of the mind and intellect, then automatically what will happen? Your memory becomes stronger. Do you agree? Do you agree? Can you practice that? Can you practice that? Okay, I'll make you a small practice also. Even though it is a smaller kids, what we make it happen, but still to just know how it works together. Okay, so now let me see, check your memory power. So before sir could enter, what was the last class? Chemistry. Okay, can you tell me what was the lesson that was dealt in chemistry? Lab. Okay. In that, what was the last sentence that sir told and when? Report. Okay, anyone can come and explain me what the sir told about the reports fully? Can you narrate it? As soon as I just started telling, see, you started thinking, you was told, right? But if I put you a question, what was the last serial yesterday you saw? Or what was the last film you saw yesterday? Or recently, what is the last film you saw? Huh? Because I don't see films. You tell me which was the last film you saw? Huh?
Kantara.
Kantara. Which
KGF.
one?
KGF.
Boys. Pushpa. Okay. Recall the entire movie. Whichever. Recall the entire movie. See, pat, it starts coming out, popping up out, right? Heroine dress up on the style, heroine hingiದ್ಲು ಈ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ಲು. If anyone started narrating, no, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ಆ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಈ ಡೈಲಾಗು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, A to Z ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? Why you are not able to tell that? Because what was there in that film or the movie, what is not, you are doing it here in the classroom. That is, these two and these two, it is not working together in the classroom. Because ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ, ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೋ, ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಇವರು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ? See, you're enjoying it because it's a combination of the left brain and the right brain. You're getting the word sentence, also you're getting the images, you're getting colors, everything colorful. So it is getting stored in your memory. Even after 10 years, now, if I put that film name now, correct? But DDLJ ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ? DDLJ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸರಿ, ಮುಂಗಾರು ಮಳೆ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ನೋಡಿರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಸರ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೈ ಸಿ, ಓಕೆ, you can ask him afterwards, okay? So now I just gave the example, not going deep into that, okay? So now here you got the example. So can you use that in the classroom also? From today you can use it. Use your left brain, right brain, as well as the mind and intellect. It should all work together. Words ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಿವಿಗೆ, immediately from the intellect you start creating the image or whatever the pictures according to your requirement. Then it stores in your right brain. See, then now I'll come to the memory part. Now you understood everyone how the mind works? Huh? Now let me come to the memory part. Now what is memory? It's a storage device. Right, in computer science we have learned it's a storage device. There are many types of memories nowadays, but the soul and the brain also it has its memory. Now, how many of you tell it's a good? We have two types of memory. What are the two types of memory? Good memory, bad memory. How many of you tell good memory and bad memory? Howda? Yes or no? I want to say yes. Okay. See, let me put you a question. You have two horses. One horse which is in the forest, one horse which is used for the race. Or you have two elephants. One is which is in the forest, one which is in the circus. Can you tell that elephant and the horse is a good horse, bad horse? Can you tell that is a good elephant, bad elephant? Can you put it like that? Why? What is the difference between that elephant which is in the forest? What is the difference between that elephant which is in the circus? It is trained, it is not trained. That's all correct? Right? See, in the same way, the memory we have two types of memory. What it is? Trained memory and untrained memory. We don't have any good memory or the bad memory. See, everyone has the same brain, same neurons, same everything working concept. But how you train yourself, protect based on that, you have a very good memory, we call it as our bad memory. But it is not a good or bad memory, it is what? Trained memory and memory. How are you going to train your memory then? See, there are many memory techniques. In that, I tell you two steps. Okay, two techniques today let me teach you. One is Gale principle. What it is? A principle. What is this A principle? Here A stands for law of association. What it is? Law of association. And I stands for imagination. What it is?
Imagination.
And R stands for ridiculous thinking. So what it is? Law of association, imagination and ridiculous thinking. When you use this A concept, in your lessons or wherever, automatically what will happen? That is one particular technique to train your memory. Okay? So to train your memory. Now what is law of association? Association means, see, whatever the lessons or whatever the words or whatever you hear, one word you connect, associate with the another word. Okay, next word with the another word. Start associating each word and make an imagination of each and every word's its image. Every word has its own image, right? Every word has its a picture. As I told, apple has its a picture. Brain has its a picture. Heart has its a picture. Right? Kidney has its a picture. Right? Kidney and every image is correct. So start creating its what? Image. Okay. Now word, image. Then what you are supposed to make one more here, law of association. In many words you have, let us think, and how you are going to create that law of association and you make that into a very good story of yourself. In such a way that it should be very ridiculous thinking. What is ridiculous? ಊಹೆಗೆ ಮೀರಿರುವಂತಹ thinking. The fairy tale stories ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Correct? ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಫೇರಿ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಕುದುರೆಯಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. Sometimes some different things, right? So thinking is to ridiculous ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? ಆ ಥರ you create. Why? See, the brain, it takes that ridiculous thinking information and stores is very good. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ವೆರೈಟಿ ಏನೇನು ಥರ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಬೋರಿಂಗ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು ಅವ್ರ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್. The brain has a very good, the mind has a very good creative energy. Okay, let me give a small example of A. Principle of A. How? See, shall I write 15 words? Will you be able to memorize the 15 words using what I told the principle A, R, and then you should tell all the 15 words. Okay? First one, and don't think it will be on the blackboard. I'll give 1 minute time and then erase it. Okay? Next one. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. See, I know the mentality of the students. Okay? I was also the lecturer and I was also the head of the department in Polytechnic. Okay? I know your mentalities. Okay? So don't do that. And mobile expand, brush, poster. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಇಂದ silly words ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. I'll start with a small example and then you can convert it into a bigger one. Okay? So 6-1, 3, 7-1. ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾದ್ರೆ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ? ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ಗಾ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಗಾ? Your 1 minute starts now. Apply the A principle, law of association. As I told, each word has its own image or whatever it is, right? And start connecting and start thinking a ridiculous thinking and make a story of all these 15 words. Okay, the time starts now. Don't by heart. And the reading comments don't. I told you just now the concept, right? How the left brain, right brain it thinks, how your mind and intellect works, make use of that, and then start storing in your memory. Don't by heart. ಯಾರು 15 ವರ್ಷ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿನ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೈನ್ಬೋ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪ್ Okay, silence. Anyone raise your hand, you come forward and start the reading.